Hey YouTube, it's KShadow22 here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to manipulate or change or edit your internet settings or your histories and the logs and whatnot. And just to wrap up what we've done so far, we've created a login, we've created a page that you can save such things and open other pages, which are, by pages I mean forms. Then we made a calculator. We also made a binary code converter. Now today we're going to want to start off by creating a new form. We're going to change this one to Internet Explorer Editor, something like that. This is good for now. We're going to start by making it be in the center location, center screen. And we're going to make it so people cannot maximize it, because this does not need to be maximized. And really quick, we're going to go and look at the settings, well, the code, because, okay, pretty much what we're going to be doing is clearing options. We're going to have temp files, cookies, history, form data, saved passwords, all, clear add-on settings, and whatnot. Okay. So first we're going to want to copy all these subs. Remember, all of these codes will be in the description no matter what. So just click down below. And then what we're going to want to add is 4 buttons. And let's see here. Not 4 buttons. Did I say 4 buttons? Yeah, not 4 buttons. We're going to want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's align them. And this time we're going to do something a bit different than what we've been doing before. Well, first, we're going to give this a flat property. So go ahead and select all of those. And let's go under flat style and just press F and it'll automatically make them all flat. We're going to stretch them out. We're going to make them all left center. Now the first one, let's see what we have here. Temp files. So clear temp files. Enter. Next one will be clear cookies. Next one will be clear history. Clear form data. Clear all. Clear saved passwords. And the last, least but not last, clear add-on settings. Clear add-on settings. Okay. So now we have all these. Let's resize the form. And we're going to make this a toolbox. Now you're probably like, what? So let's do settings. Let's rename the form. We're going to scroll up here and we're going to say, go to form border style. We're going to select fixed tool window. Okay. Okay, now let's go ahead and apply the codes below. So clear temp files. Clear temp files. Clear cookies. Clear cookies. Whoops. Clear history. Clear form data. Clear saved passwords. Clear all. Clear add-on settings. Now I'm going to go over what's on the code. I'll just do the first one because, yeah. Okay, so this says clear temp files. By making it a sub, like we're making its own, like, what's it called? We're creating a variable, let's say, or an object or a refer almost. So now we have our own declaration. It's called clear temp files, and that's what we use down here. So when I say clear temp files, which is the first one, it's going to shoot back up here and perform all the action within it. Now this, all right here, is like locating, what's it called? This right here is going to activate the, what's it called? Internet Explorer, like its properties. And then it's going to look for the button that says clear my tracks. And then it's going to do it by process of 8. Okay, so it's just going to do 8 at a time. It won't lag out your computer. It's really nice. So I haven't really used Internet Explorer at all, but we will give this a shot. So go back to Forum 2 and go under, well, yeah, edit items, Internet Settings, copy it. Then we're going to double click this and we're going to say end if. Why does this have 2 end ifs? Oh yeah. So if combo box 1 dot text equals, oh my gosh, what just happened? Z. Okay, whatever. Internet settings. Then end if. And then we're going to have it do just simply Internet Explorer Editor dot show. And as you see, like, you're probably wondering why it doesn't say Forum 5. I decided that you guys need to see how, like, to express the Forum 5 in a different, like a different word, I guess. If you go up here to name, I can name it to Forum 5 if I want to, and then it would be like forum5.show. But since I named it to this from the start, it's going to be Internet Explorer Editor.show. So, like, I don't know if you guys understand that, but you guys will get used to it as you are programming. So let's go ahead and debug this. And let's type in the username, kshadow22, and then YouTube. Let's go ahead and log in. Select an activity, and let's do check internet and click enter. Oh no, it's not check internet, it's internet settings, my bad. So now we have this pop up, and let's do clear temp files. As you can see, it will bring this up and says that. Or we can do clear history, and it will bring up that and says the history is being deleted and whatnot. Clear saved passwords, I don't want to do that. Add-on settings, go ahead and do that. So this is really nice though. So you can see how we can switch back and forth. We're not going to do that. We're going to do something else, which will be really nice and handy. So go ahead and click here and do dim settings Explorer Editor as new Internet Explorer Editor. Settings Explorer or whatever dot, let's do dot show dialog. Okay, so now we declared what this is. So pretty much we gave this a new name, so this can be opened more than once. Then it's going to show as a dialog, so we cannot leave the new form that's going to be brought up to us. So I'll show you guys here. YouTube. Now we will select Internet Settings. We will click Enter, and we can't exit it, but we can move it around. We can't go. We can't do anything with that. Now we can minimize it once we've done that. But once we exit it, we're good to go. But I don't understand why I made this not hide. So it should be me.hide. Let's make it now. So me.hide. So now, I'm assuming when we go back, yeah, for this, when it is being closed, it should have form1.show. So now we're going to do pretty good here. We got the coding laid out, and we've gotten over quite a bit. But now you're probably wondering, like, how do we know this is doing Internet Explorer? For sure. We're going to go to our Google, Google, and we're going to find a Internet Explorer logo. If you guys don't know what IE stands for, it's for Internet Explorer. So now we're just going to wait for this to load up. And let's go ahead and move it to our desktop, because we only need it for a second. So now let's go over here and let's add a picture box. So we can find that under the P picture box. So now let's make it square almost. And let's do this, and then let's choose an image. Import desktop. Okay. Stretch. Okay, so now it may look a little bit better, but I think it should probably be somewhere like right there. So let's send it to the back. Okay, now let's open it and see how this looks. Or we can make it look a bit more fancier, because it looks a little weird, if you know what I mean. Okay, so let's type in KShadow22 YouTube. Let's select it, check internet settings, and now we have this. We can't really X out of it. We can go to this form. No, we can't because it's stuck behind it. So it looks really nice the way it is set up now. We got a logo and everything. So we're set up. We have a deal going on. So now go ahead and Control-Shift-Save, and then let's build it. Now, a good thing to start doing now is after you have finished your application, you're going to want to start doing this. Okay, I haven't showed you guys something, so I'll just show you in the next video. Please stay tuned. This video is getting a little long, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe for more videos and more series. See you guys next time.